Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dreams. I hope you all are fine and are enjoying my videos about Henna Mehndi designs. Today I have came with new modern and unique Mehndi designs for you. I have collected all these designs especially for girls because girls are very like designs mehndi. This design is so much beautiful. All of these designs are very easy and are simple. Some of these designs are of full arm and some are just for hands. I hope you are liking my video. If you liking my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. Okay friends, thank you so much.